Hey, what's up?
Hey, nothing, yeah, just trying to do something new.
New?
See, I love teaching dance, but
Brilliant idea. Why don't you make dance tutorials for our YouTube?
Okay, but what's so new about it?
The new thing will be we're gonna make it daily.
What? Every day.
Let's
do
this.
Hey guys, welcome to the 366th episode of Dance Daily. I am Lavina.
And I am Ashish, and we welcome you to the finale episode of Dance Daily, the best dance tutorial
On the internet. Today we're going to be teaching you some fun song and groovy move.
on the song Das Bahane 2.0. So let's begin.
So let's get started. You're going to stand in comfortable first position. The hands are doing uski aankhon mein. Yes? So the leg is going step. Now step your toe. So you're going to go step in. Step in. You're going to practice this, okay? So you're going to go step in, step, twist, step, twist, step, twist. Amazing. Let's go. So you're going to go uski aankhon mein. Yes? So this is slow. Uski aankhon mein is little fast, okay? Aankhon mein baatein. You come forward. From there you go back. Baaton mein jadoo. Yes, so jadoo is out. Here, as if you have a wish ball and your leg is just doing out together. From there, jadoo mein kho gaye hum. From there, you're gonna do a ball change. I'm sure you know what a ball change is. So you're gonna go right, left. Okay, what you're gonna do is put your left hand out like this. So you're gonna go boom, turn. Yeah, facing back. So what did I finish? Baatein, baaton mein jadoo. Jadoo mein kho gaye hum. Okay, so right with the bounce. So kho gaye hum. Repeat the same steps. So you're gonna go kho gaye. You gotta face forward now. पहले हमने पीछे turn किया, then आप सामने turn करोगे. From there, peekaboo. It is like go away. Yeah. So the right leg is doing a dip. Peekaboo. From there, you're gonna place your left leg back, but watch it properly. So you're gonna go open there. Okay. Now, what the hands are doing? I looked at you. Okay. So you is forward. You looked at me. All right. And from there, you're gonna go one as if you are pushing out. Yeah. So with your left leg and left hand. 1, 2. Again, face profile. So what did we do? I looked at you. Looked at me. Ho gayi. Mushkil hit. So hit and hit. Alright. From there, you're gonna point your hands. The right leg goes back. You became. Yeah. So right, left, right, left. Practice this move because we're gonna do it twice. Okay. From here, once you finish, tuck, both the hands. You became my destiny. Tu hi meri. So what is it? You became my destiny. Tu hi meri. Yes, one last time. Tuck to go. You became my destiny. Tu hi meri. From there, gonna place your left heel outside. Manzil. So manzil. From there, right leg goes back. Practice right, left, right. It's fast. Tada. So, manzil, tada. Okay? You can do the extra right if you have time. If you don't, it's okay, yeah? So, manzil, right, left, right. Yes?
From there, you're gonna go right side to go Das Bahane. Now you can use the right hand for the second time too, depending upon whichever is comfortable for you all. So you're gonna go with your right leg, boom. From there, das. So right, left, hit. Yes. So das bahane, boom. Right, left, hit. From there, you're gonna go das bahane karke le gaye, go second first. Yes. Now if second verse is not comfortable, just do go, 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 go. Okay? So after you finish second, first we move on to the chorus, that is 10 bahane karke le gaye. Yeah, very simple. You're gonna go 10 bahane karke le gaye. So hit, hit, no, no. From there, very simple. You're gonna go dil, 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 dil. Yes. So in, na, na, le gaye dil. Repeat the step. Boom, boom, no, no, go, 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 go. Yes, so that's the routine. Let's try this to music. 5, 6, 7, 8.
उसकी आँखों में बातें, बातों में जादू, जादू में खो गए हम, हो गए बेकाबू. I looked at you, you looked at me, और हो गई मुश्किल. And you became my destiny, तू ही मेरी मंजिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल, ले गए दिल. 10 बहाने करके ले गए दिल.
Hey guys, thank you so much once again for all your support and love to Dance Daily and to Lavina Ashish Dance Company.
That was our 366th episode. We made one video every single day for the past entire year.
If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram too. And well, this Dance Daily is getting over. We will come up with something brand new again sometime real soon.
On this note, here's the time to say goodbye to you guys, only from Dance Daily. But as I told you, we're gonna keep putting a lot of videos and tutorials as well. So please do keep loving us, and
Thank you so much for all our viewers who have been watching our tutorials so avidly.
we'll see you next time.
Last time, let's do this together.
Keep
Keep grooving, keep moving, and keep dancing.